Hey friends, let's jump straight into this mighty song, and with this lesson we'll do all the guitar parts and tune each string down a half step, and this one's for John. So let me play the intro, then we'll break it down. So we're just starting on the open A string, 2nd fret D, 4 on the G, open B, then play 2nd fret D, open A, back to an A power chord, then play the open A string, 2nd fret D, open A string, then go back to the first chord again, so open A, 2, 4 and open, 2nd fret on the D, open A, then we're going to the open A, 2nd fret D, 4 G, 5 on the B. Open A, 2nd fret D, open A. So slowly. Then we're going to an F sharp 7 sus 4. So we're going to have 2nd fret on the E, 4 on the A, 2nd on the D, 4 on the G. Then play the 2nd fret on the E 2 times. And just go to an F sharp minor. Play it once, 2nd fret E once, play it again, 2nd fret E, and we do that little part 2 times there. So from the F sharp 7 sus 4, and again. And we just keep repeating that through 2 times for our intro. So for our verse, we just continue our intro riff and we do it another 4 times. To our F sharp 7 sus 4. Four times there, and then we're going to a B minor. The strumming pattern we're going to use is down, play the root note down, root note down, down, up. We're doing that 2 times, so. Then go to an E sus 4, we're just going to do that same strumming pattern once. And just to an E chord and just 1 down strum. And that's our first verse there. So from there we go back to the verse again, and it's all exactly the same except for our last E. Instead of just doing 1 down strum, continue the pattern for another bar. So just a, and that's the only difference there. So for our chorus, and we'll do both guitar parts here, again we're just starting with our A sus 2, the same chord we had in the intro, open A string, 2nd D, 4 G, open B, do a down root and then just go to an A sus 2 and finish the pattern off. Down, root, down, down, up, and do that 2 times. So. Go to an F sharp minor, same pattern. 2 times. Repeat that first part again, back to the A sus 2. To our F F sharp minor for 2. Then just go to D for a bar, so just one of our patterns. To E, again 1 bar. Back to the intro chord again, 1 bar. F sharp minor for a bar. Back to D for a bar. E for a bar. F sharp minor for a bar. Now we're going to go to D and our strumming pattern's going to change. We'll do it down, 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 up, up, down, 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 up. Go back to the D and our original strumming pattern. To E for 1 bar. And that's our acoustic guitar. Now let's have a look at the heavy guitar. So we're starting with an A power chord hold for a bar. Do that again. Then to the F sharp power chord for a bar again. And again. And do that 2 times. So back to the A. A again. To the F sharp. Again. Then jump to a D and we're just going to do a bar, but we're going to play it 2 times. To E the same. A the same, F sharp again, back to D, to E, F sharp 2 times, D 2 times, then another 2 on the D, to our E, and finish on our A. And they're all the parts of the chorus. Now let's have a look at our solo rhythm, and we'll do our solo at the end. It's just our second verse, except we're doing the first riff 2 times instead of 4 there. And that's our solo rhythm. From there we go to our chorus, and guitar 1 and 2 are the same as before. The only change here is we're going to end on an A sus2 there. And they're all the rhythm parts. Now let's have a look at the solo. So we're going to start with the 2nd fret on the G, then play it again and hammer onto the 4th fret, do a bend on the 4th fret, then we're going to play 2nd fret G, hammer onto 4, pull off to 2, slide back to 1, hammer onto 2, pull off to 1, and then 4 on the D, come up to 6G, bend 7 on the B, play 6G, 7B together. Then we're coming up to 9G, play it again, then 11, jump to B, 10, 12, 10, 11, G, back to 10 on the B, bend the 12B 2 times, and again, and then we're doing 10, hammer onto 12, pull off to 10 on the B, slide back to 9, hammer onto 10, pull off to 9, play 11G, back to 12B. Now we're going to release the 12 on the B, so start with the bend up, play it, let it come down, and then 10, hammer onto 12, pull off to 10, slide back to 9, hammer onto 10, pull off to 9, slide back to 7, hammer onto 9, pull off to 7, slide back to 5, and slide back up to 7. Then we have a half bend and a release on the 9 on the B, so again start with the bend up. Play the 7B and then do it again with a pinched harmonic. Do the 9, half bend release again, 7B and then go 9E. And then to finish off we're just bending 12 on the G and holding 10B 3 times. And then go 14 on the G, 12 on the B. And then just slide up to 9 on the G. and they're all the parts there. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed Hold On To My Heart Guitar Lesson by W.A.S.P. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell, and if you love your rock, glam and metal, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.